Today I will show you how to assemble the knitting machine. These are all the parts for the stand. Take the legs and insert them into the holes on the sides of the metal part. The small holes on the legs must be towards the outside. Now you can see how I'm inserting the other two legs from another angle. Take the short pipes and insert them through the metal loops onto the V-shaped pipe. It should look like this. Now loosen the nut and remove the washer. Place the V-shaped pipe onto the bolt, then place the washer and tighten the nut, but not all the way. Take the first short pipe and rotate it to align the two pins with the holes on the legs. Then you can attach it to the legs. If it's difficult, loosen the nut which is holding the V-shaped pipe. At this point I was asking myself if the camera is still recording. Now you can see how I'm attaching the pipe to the other side. The pins on the short pipe must be aligned with the holes on the legs. The second pipe is harder to attach. Use a wrench to tighten the nut all the way. Now the stand is assembled and you can turn it over. Insert these two metal parts into the slots on the sides of the stand. I'm sorry I don't know the names of the parts, but I couldn't find them anywhere. On the bottom of the machine there are 4 plastic squares. You must place the machine so the 2 plastic squares on the back side go inside the metal ones which are on the stand. Be careful not to move the metal pieces that support the machine while placing it on the stand. Now you can see again how to place the machine. Be very careful, at this point the machine can fall from the stand. Take the 2 clamps and clamp the machine to the stand. Slide the clamp as shown in the video and tighten the screw. Take the back lock and insert it on the back bed of the machine. If you don't know which bed is the front bed, check where is the racking handle. It must be located on the left side of the front bed. Also, the numbers on the needles are only on the front bed. Then slide the front lock on the front bed of the machine and attach them. If you want to attach the side extension plate, you must align it and tighten the screws. You can attach the color changer to the right side of the back bed of the machine and the extension plate to the front bed. I have a video for attaching the color changer. Now let's assemble the yarn stand. Take the metal rod and turn it so the straight end is towards you. Take the clip for the guide sheet and insert it from the straight end. The curved end must be towards the back of the machine. Take the metal guide and attach it under the clip for the guide sheet. Now insert the plastic cup holder. Attach the yarn guides onto the curved end. It should look like this. Finally, attach the two cups and put the metal rod into its holder. That's all for today. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.